Hello everybody, my name is Vitaly, hope you well. So today we will speak about the markets and we will pay attention for gold, silver, Ethereum and Bitcoin. So let's start with Bitcoin because these days Bitcoin is very interesting to analyze. Let's go to time frame daily and let's see what's happened right now. Okay, so we are in the bull market for Bitcoin. We had some correction, and this is in this moment we have a particular pattern that we can see here. So I think that Bitcoin is very bullish asset for long term, but in the short term, let's see what we see here. So we see a situation when the market is trying to go up, but this was the false breakout here, So, but all this construction is very bullish because we created here something like this. Yes, we are absolutely understand that the market can make another lower movement, and can do it like this. But this trend line is very important because when this trend line will be broke, we will have a big movement. And I think that this big movement can make a new all-time high. So let's go a little bit here, and yes, I think that the Bitcoin is bullish, but look at this scenario. This pattern, it's very interesting pattern because if we will broke for down, we can go to 96, 97 area here. And also, if we will have this scenario, the Bitcoin will remain bullish. It not will be bearish, will be also bullish. But we also can go up if we will broke this triangle for upper trend line. The potential target is new all-time high. Okay, this is in daily, just for understand the big time frame. Let's see now the smallest time frame, like 4 hours. In 4 hours, we can see here many attempt to broke this trend line. So if the price will broke this trend line, we can see a movement more lower than this price is right now. Let's see one hour time frame. If you see here, the price test, it's make it many tests of this trend line. So I think at this moment we are in the short term we are bearish, and the potential target of this structure is 106,000 for Bitcoin, and we will be bearish all the time, and we will become bullish when the price will go up all from this trend line and will go upper. At this moment, for me, it's better not to sell Bitcoin, but to wait when the Bitcoin will go here. And here I will buy some Bitcoin for this movement. Okay. And if this movement will finish here, it will be the minimum, the price will make this a big candle and I will enter with another position on the broke, when the price will broke this structure. And after this, the market can be bullish only after this break of structure of this trend line. But market can go also, can make something like this, and after this will go. So more time the price remain under this trend line, the biggest will be the movement in long. So for me at the moment, I'm looking at Bitcoin because I think today is 60 October, or tomorrow will be this movement. I don't know which direction will be, but I know that will be this movement. So, and with Bitcoin, we will have some interesting situation with Ethereum. Ethereum is also in a bullish market. Let's see from biggest time frame. Yeah, we see this part is very good trend. Where it's very good line support and resistance. And when the price will be upper on upper from this line, the price will be very powerful, and we will have a bullish market. But if the price will go down, yeah, we can make a more deeper correction. So let's see this particular scenario. Okay, it was here in impulse. Here now we are in the correction phase. Okay, so we don't know the correction will finish here or here or here. We don't know this one, but I know that Ethereum at the moment is in correction phase. Okay, so let's see 4 hour, because 4 hour is very interesting. In 4 hour, we have this part of support and resistance upper from when the price will be upper from this line, will be 407, 400, 4008, 4007. We will become bullish, but in this scenario we stay bearish, but bearish in short term. Okay, let's see here. This is a very nice situation from Ethereum, because this is the same logic like a Bitcoin, because we try more time to broke this trend line. But also, if you will see here, we also try to broke also this trend line. So I think in short term we can go also more lower and test, for example, this part like a first target. So personally, I don't buy Ethereum. I didn't buy Ethereum and this part. I bought, but little bit. But my biggest position is in this zone, in 3,700 and 3,600. So I expect that market can do this movement here, can broke this structure, for example, here, and can go to 3,400, 3,300. But this is the maximum movement that can, for me, Ethereum can do. So I will try. I just put orders to buy Ethereum here, Ethereum here, Ethereum here. But not in big quantity, because you need to understand, because the market can be irrational for many days, for many weeks. And I understand that we can have something like this. See here? We can have something like this also in this situation, but maybe not so deep. Maybe till from till here. I don't know exactly, but we will see how will market will move the next days. So for me, it's important just to see which move will be in this situation. So if we will go up, we will broke this trend line and we will remain upper from this trend line, and we will close upper this level, we will become bullish. So in this situation, I will increase my position on Ethereum, and I will expect that Ethereum can go here in from to his from his high to his high, last one. Okay, let's see now gold. Gold absolutely is bullish, but this bullish is foolish because every asset will correct anyway, but we don't understand, we don't know at the moment when this correction will start, because at this situation on daily time frame we are very, very bullish. So at this moment it's very dangerous open the position also in long, but also in short. So you can work in 15 minutes time frame because it's more simple. For example, for me to in gold to work with 15 minutes because I can work with structure. For example, all this movement we work in structure. For example, here. It's a very nice structure, and this structure can do something like this, and can, if will broke, will go, we will make a new all-time high, and maybe the price will arrive to 400 to 4,000 to 16 to 50. So this is the target, but this target this pattern we will activate it when the price will broke this level. Okay, so but for short position at the moment I can see some exactly we don't have signals to downtrend or to correction. No, we don't have. So in this situation, it's very important to understand that price can do something also like this. Be careful with gold, because this is a very dangerous situation with gold right now. For me, gold is interesting to long-term investment also, because I will start to accumulate the gold when the price will go to this level, to 3,800, 3,700, 3,650 for 40, and also this one. If we will see the gold, I don't know, I'm not sure, but if I will see the gold in this range, this is very good range to buy gold for long term. The same thing, the same way we have also with silver. Silver is very bullish right now, but look at silver in this situation. Silver is very, very bullish. It's very, very bullish. So I think silver the next years can go to 200, 150, 250. We don't know. But in this situation, we can if you want to make a long-term investment and you need to choose between gold and silver, for me, silver is most interesting because the ratio is bigger for silver. So in this situation, we have, hyperbolic movement. And if I will see the silver that is going to $39, $40, this will be the best moment to buy silver in this area. Also, maybe silver will make something like this, will be perfect. So if we will have this type of scenario, will be perfect. But I'm not sure that we can see silver for $32. Every asset will look here. Every asset will make this retracement, his retracement, and silver also will make, the gold also will make. So, for example, if I will try to put the Fibonacci level from the start of this movement till here, for me, the good level is 0.5 and 0.6 to buy silver. For long term, for my child, for my children, for my retirement, and this one is the best thing. But I will try to buy every minimum. So, for example, silver is going to minus from his high minus 20. I will buy here. After this, Ethereum will going to minus 10. I will buy here. After this, if Ethereum will go to 5%, I will buy here. So I will make more position to buy silver in long term. Okay, guys, I hope this analysis can help you. Thank you if you arrived here, because I improved my English and I decided to improve my English with this type of analysis of markets. Have a good day. Bye.